Is that bacon grease covering the screw? Gotta stop cooking bacon. Let's try this one. Please don't take lessons from me. Oh, it just turned. I have like one more trick up my sleeve, and then that's it. So you know how I hate the liner on the truck thing that comes down in the back? Taking it off.
Okay.
And I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get plywood and put it there.
Okay.
And stuff, and we can paint it. We can have a project to do after this and finish it tomorrow, because tomorrow's gonna be beautiful out, and we can get it done before we go, because then we can wake up and eat breakfast and have a table.
Okay. While you're at it, you should fix that drawer.
What drawer?
The broken drawer.
Yes. Howdy, welcome back to the channel. If you can't tell, we're kind of on a crazy mission right now. I may be way over my head and all over the place, but Lila and I are headed to the mountain in 2 days to truck camp, and I want to be prepared. I was kind of just sitting around while she's doing her final paper and whatnot, and I started cleaning the truck, and I was like, wow, yeah, everything's almost perfect for the trip. Let me show you. I cannot stand cooking on this thing. For the obvious reason is there are not many places to cook because it's just uneven, rickety. It is hard to put the propane stove and oven on this thing. And I've been dying to take it off. Like, just so ready to take it off and put something else on it and actually level it out, as well as take this thing out, because I don't need this. This isn't a necessity to me. I don't really care for it. We got this screw that's giving us a hard time. But besides that, I really think we can get it done today. I just need to come up with what I want to put on this, because it will be getting dirty, and I need some sort of platform that's easy to clean, because obviously this is not easy to clean. Stuff gets inside these little cracks. Like, I mean, I had a macaroni piece in here for like 3 days. I couldn't get out because it just gets stuck in this. There's like food on it, and it's just not it. We have 2 days until we leave to go to the mountains. We can either get this done today or today and tomorrow. It is currently 1 p.m. so the sun goes down around 8 o'clock. Still gotta eat lunch and dinner and whatnot, but that gives us a lot of time today to crank this out, and we have all day tomorrow. I think we can do it before we hit the road. I have no idea. God, I can't wait to take this thing off though. All right, let's do it. Let's get back to work. It's probably gonna take me a hot minute to figure out how to do it and get it out, and yeah, stick around, enjoy today's episode. I have a crazy cool idea too as well. By the way, I feel like I'm just all over the place, I'm so sorry, but basically what I'm gonna do to that thing is I'm also gonna make it so I'm able to cook inside of the truck bed, so I don't have to be cooking outside every single time, and you'll see what I mean. This is gonna be the best transformation I've ever done to the truck build, so I'm pretty excited. So many ideas are just brewing in my brain right now. So we gotta get it done. Let's do it. No way, no way. Let's go. Yes. There we go. That's so awesome. It looks good, right? I mean, yeah, it's not bad. I would love to keep this, but at the same time, I really hate it. And it's kind of pointless to me, truthfully. I don't need this thing at all. I'm thinking of taking out all these bolts too, like take out everything. Why won't this? Like, am I doing something wrong? Do I want to do wood? I don't think I want to do wood. If I do wood, I'm gonna have to put some sort of plastic on top of it. We're just gonna look around. I'm not even sure what I'm doing. Have a good one.
You too, thanks.
What a complete nightmare it is inside that store right now. But we found wood and not the metal that I wanted. I was trying really hard to get the piece of metal discounted because it was completely trashed. It was $67 and I went up and asked if they could take money off of it because it was trashed. Scratches everywhere, people bending it, dents everywhere. And they can only give me 15 bucks off. So I was not gonna spend that much money on a danky piece of metal when I can just be patient and go to different stores. So we're gonna head back to the house right now and just see what we can get done. Just see what we can get done. Well, we're back to the house. If you can't tell, there's people mowing lawns and it's loud out here, but ignore that. This is what we need to get done right now. We need to get this thing off somehow. Wish me luck. All right, I believe this is the correct sheet. No, that is not. That's not it. Okay. Come on. Oh man, that looks so good. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Okay. You guys are gonna be proud of me. Tell me if I bought the wrong stuff, but this is to like treat the wood. Anytime I've ever done woodwork on the channel, I get roasted for not treating the wood. So I think this is the right stuff. I might be wrong. I'm obviously not a pro at anything that we're doing, but that is why you beautiful people exist. So if you want to judge me, at least do it educationally in the comments below. Like, you can roast me in the comments, but educate me at the same time, because I would love to get better at stuff like this, because stuff like this gets me so excited. I don't know, just like arts and crafts and projects. It just try to educate me, you know. Gotta treat the wood, baby. Okay, so screw hole here, screw hole here. It's not long enough for the screw holes, so we measured wrong. No, no. I mean, we can always put new holes. Okay, I'm not against that. Okay, that is dry. Sweet. Oh, this is so you can see the color besides of duh.
Be very careful with this once it sticks.
Yeah, I know. It's okay if it's a little bit off. Like, push past it.
Show my finger.
Oh, sorry, I didn't even know you were like. Okay. Peel and stick. Ah, this is gonna be so cool. I have a vision. My vision's gonna come true. Make sure that is pressed up as tight as you can. Oh my god, it looks so cool. It looks so cool. Do you like it? That's cool. Oh my god, it looks so good.
I have a good eye.
Cool. She's in there. Day 2. We're doing this. Crocs are in sport mode. PJs are still on. Dude, it just looks so clean. Yeah, I'm obsessed. I feel like most of you probably have no idea what I'm trying to do, but don't worry, it'll make sense, I promise. Are you gonna come help in a little bit? Okay, then Lila's also gonna help. But tell me not, this is cool. This is gonna turn out good.
Yes.
Like it's a good idea.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a great idea if it works right.
If it works right, okay. I just feel like it's crazy, but it's gonna work, and we're gonna build a table now that we can use from inside the truck with these 2 beautiful pieces. I didn't feel like buying more plywood, so I used the plywood that was left over from this sheet. They're the same exact size, so I'm gonna just put them together so that they're nice and thick, just to make it, you know, support more weight, I guess you could say. Man. Okay, so the truck bed is closed. This is like here, right, and or like here, because I have to put latches, right? So I'm gonna put 2 latches, like one here and one there. I'm just gonna take one piece for now. It'll be easier to show when I'm trying to explain. Okay, so, and then once we get inside, no, it's too long. No. It's gonna open up like a table. No. That's not fair. I mean, we can still work with it. We would just have to like make sure this is open at the same time when we open up our table. Whatever, that's fine. And then this is a table now while we're like sitting inside, you know? So we can cook inside the truck. That's the goal. Sounds crazy, but it's gonna work. Okay. Well, now we're stuck, so looks like we gotta make another run to the store. I mean, I don't really mind going with the 13 amp. It's nothing
If
too...
the money is in dang,
Yeah,
the money is a dang?
definitely.
Okay.
But also, I mean, I don't really need anything too crazy.
Yup, nope, then that'll be fine.
Do you know where I could get a Alright, so I decided just to full send it, and we got a saw. But I have a lot of reasons why, is because I don't think this is gonna work at all. Because I rather just do it right in the way, like I showed you guys, like it's not gonna flip down when this is up. I don't like that. I wanna make sure this is done correctly. So I just full sent and bought it so I didn't break my back. And I think it's valid, right? It was only 45 bucks. It's very low amps. It's only 13, so there's not much power to it, but it's gonna work. The last time I used a saw, the wood kicked back and hit me in the stomach and knocked the wind out of me, and I've been terrified to use one ever since, and I've been avoiding using one for the past like 2.5 years. So it's been a while, but I'm gonna send it. I'm still terrified that the wood's gonna come back and hit me, but whatever, we got this. So that's the update. Let's get cracking on this. I'm absolutely terrified, but I put the blade on by myself, and I think we're gonna do it. I think we're gonna do it. This is the setup. I need to cut right there. That's it. Nothing too crazy. Come on, right? We'll see. Let's find out.
Josh.
Did I not do it all day? Oh. Uh-oh. I should have just kept going. Oh. Yes! Yes! After 2 long days, this is what it looks like. We have this, and then we have a hinge there. Now, how does it open? The hinge, right? How does it stay open? Hinge, and another hinge. 2 pieces of wood. You can also go like that, I don't know. Maybe we want to read a book outside or something. It's like an iPad stand. Let's close it up. I'll show you what it looks like from the inside, which was the whole point. So I'm sitting inside my truck. I have a beautiful view of the mountains, just pretend, right? All I do is lift this up. Look at that. That is a table. One there, one there. And then I can just sit here. I can cook in here if I want to. I'm just gonna have to get a single burner propane stove, which is fine. I'm so okay with that, but yeah. It's amazing. I'm so happy and satisfied with it. And I did it all by myself, which is the coolest part. And then to collapse it, 1, 2. Maybe not the easiest to collapse. Beautiful. And then that's what it looks like closed. I'm gonna end up putting Velcro in this, so this is not like slamming around while I'm driving and whatnot. So we're almost done. I just need to buy Velcro, which I'm not gonna bring you guys along with, you know, how to put Velcro on. But I feel like this was a massive learning curve, and I learned a lot, and it was so much fun, and I had a blast. So if there's any tips, comments, concerns, or what I should do to improve it, or if you just think the whole idea was cool, I don't know, just drop me some comments down below. I would love to hear from you guys about this little project, because I'm just really happy with how it came out, honestly. The last thing that we need to do is fix the faces of the draws, which we will do very soon, but not in today's episode. It is currently like 4 o'clock, and we started yesterday morning, so this has been a grind, and I'm okay with it though. I'm so happy with how it turned out, guys. So I'm gonna end off the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Again, comment section, all you, get in there, type some stuff, and let me know. I'm exhausted, but I love and appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for all the support, and I'll catch you beautiful people next time.